Hello children, welcome back to our fourth session of the lesson, The Sun and the Wind. Before going into today's session, can we give ourselves a pat on our back? Pat, pat. Why? Because you must have done an amazing job of a home fun activity, right? Was it easy? Was it fun doing with your family members and your parents? Well, let's begin now. Let's quickly discuss our home fun activity. First question, what response did you get each time when you did something nice? Well, when we do something nice to others, when I do something nice to others especially, I receive the same good response from others too. I'm sure you would have experienced the same. When we do good to somebody else, we always feel happy about it, right? This is because we make others feel very comfortable with our gentle words and with our smile. I'm sure you all would have enjoyed completing the weekly plan of good deed. Would you not want to stick on your plan? Please stick on your plan and make others feel very comfortable. Now, let's begin the session with some new learning. Since there is some new learning is going to happen, let's start with the PEP activity. Well, you read the story of Dharma, right? Let's see how Dharma spends his time. One day, Dharma goes to a shop. Let's see what he does in the shop. This we will do with the help of a PEP activity. This is your PEP activity 6.5. Look at your screen now. Here you need to count the number of each item he bought that is shown in the picture. Write the numbers in the space provided. Finally, answer the last question with a yes or no response. Let's read the instructions first. Here are some things Dharma brought from a shop. Count the number of each item he bought, which is given below. Write the numbers in the space provided. And the last question is, can you count the water and milk inside the bottle? Circle your answer. It is given yes or no. Open page number 6 of your studio, write today's date. Else, you can use your notebook, write today's date and also mention the activity number as PEP activity 6.5 before you begin. Now, you may pause the video for 10 minutes to complete this activity and press play once you're done. Welcome back. Have you completed the activity? Was it easy to count? I'm sure you all would have counted it in a jiffy. Well, let's quickly check our answers. Look at your screen now. I'm sure you all would have written the right answer. Now, notice that objects such as pencils, bottles, dolls can be counted easily. Such nouns are called countable nouns. Some nouns such as milk and water cannot be counted or are not easy to count. They are called uncountable nouns. These countable and uncountable nouns are everywhere around us. Let me tell you some examples from our real life. Biscuits, bat, ball, your bag, clips, plates, cup. These are all some examples for countable nouns. Sand, salt, water, milk, coffee, tea. These are all some examples for uncountable nouns. Now it is your turn to think of such nouns that are countable and uncountable around you. Let's do it with the help of a look around activity. Look around activity makes the learning relevant to us by helping us connect with our learning to the world around us. Now look at your screen. This is your look around activity 6.6. You need to circle the nouns that you can count from the given nouns there. Then find another noun which is around you that you can count and write it here in the space provided. Let's read the instruction now. Look around you. Circle the nouns that you can count. The nouns given are bags, dust, water, hair, desks, boards. Find another noun around you that you can count. Write it here in the space provided. Open page number 4 of your studio and write today's date. Else, you can use your notebook, write today's date and also mention the activity number as look around activity 6.6 before you begin. You may pause the video for 10 minutes. To complete this activity, press play once you are done. Welcome back. That was easy to complete. Can we quickly check our answers? Now look at your screen. We can count bags, desks and boards, but we cannot count water, dust and hair. I'm sure you all would have written circle the correct answer. I'm also sure that you would have written another countable noun too. Now note that it is incorrect to say I picked one rice or I picked rices. Rices is plural, right? Rices. We say I picked grain of rice. So first, both are not correct. I picked one rice or I picked rices. It is correct to say I picked grain of rice. Similarly, we don't say there is one hair on the floor or there are hairs on the floor. We say there is a strand of hair on the floor or there are some strands of hair on the floor. Observe the form of uncountable nouns in each. Uncountable nouns do not generally take a plural form. For example, we can say there is a sand on the floor. There is no plural form used here. This means that there are many grains of sand on the floor. Did you get that? Let me tell you another simple example from our day-to-day life which we use quite often. When you're asking for water from someone, how will you ask? Please give me some water or please give me some waters. How would you ask? You will ask, can I have some water? Right? This is because water is an uncountable noun and it does not have the plural form for it. With that, we have come to the end of this session. I hope you all enjoyed exploring the countable and uncountable nouns. Keep practicing whatever we have learned in this session. I will meet you all in our next session with a lot more fun and some interesting activities. We will try to use this countable and uncountable nouns in different contexts in our next session. Till then, bye.